Hello everyone, to use subtitle in NSCaster, go to the subtitle and write a subtitle here. For example, Nagasoft. After that, add the subtitle. Let's add another subtitle. Select the subtitle you want and upload to PGM or PVW. Click on the gear button to change the font size, style, color, and so on. Double click the subtitle to change it. You can edit the text by clicking this button. So let's just add 1, 2, 3 on it. After that, double click on it. So as you can see, the subtitle has been changed to tutorial 1, 2, 3. You can click the X button to delete the selected subtitle. Click on this to move the subtitle from left to right, and for this is from right to left. You can import subtitle into here from the text file. This trash button is to clear all subtitle. Even though we have cleared the subtitle because just now we already uploaded to PGM and PVW, so the subtitle will remain. To remove it, click again the PVW and PGM. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.